Setting up plotting in AutoCAD and received a PC3 configuration file from your CAD admin? This is a plotter configuration file used to standardize printing settings. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to install and use these AutoCAD plotter configuration files. I always keep a Magic software utility on standby for the toughest PC3 files. That's our guaranteed solution if the initial steps don't work. PC3 Files are plotter configuration files used by AutoCAD and other Autodesk products. They store printer or plotter settings including paper sizes, plot styles, output, device parameters, and custom paper definitions for consistent plotting across CAD workstations. PC3 Files use Autodesk's proprietary plotter configuration format, storing device driver references, paper size definitions, plot style, table associations, color depth settings, and custom output configurations. The format integrates with AutoCAD's plot dialog for streamlined plotting workflow management. Autodesk Inc. defined Autodesk AutoCAD as the main handler for PC3 files. Full file extraction and decompression must be managed by a third-party utility. Windows shows the text but not the implications, so understanding changes is essential. We are performing a foundational software check. Right-click your PC3 file and choose Open With. Test with Autodesk AutoCAD first. If it's missing, select another program. It's often a simple software fix. If you still can't open the PC3 file, it's okay. Every failure has a cause. Here are the common technical reasons why your system is failing to correctly parse the PC3 format. First, installing in AutoCAD. Copy the PC3 file to the AutoCAD plotter configuration folder, typically located at appdata-roaming/autodesk-AutoCAD-plotters. Once placed, AutoCAD detects the new plotter configuration in the plot dialog under the printer plotter dropdown for immediate use. Next, editing with plotter configuration editor. Double-click the PC3 file in Windows Explorer to open the AutoCAD plotter configuration editor. The editor allows modification of paper sizes, plot area calibration, custom properties, and output settings. Save changes to update the PC3 configuration for AutoCAD use. Finally, sharing across team. Distribute PC3 files to team members through shared network drives or version control to ensure consistent plotting across the design team. Standard PC3 configurations help maintain output consistency for project deliverables and printed drawings across multiple workstations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools, available at filemagick.com. Let me know in the comments if that file is open. Subscribing ensures you never miss another one-click solution.